Hello, hello, hello to everyone out there. Happy Thursday. I know you guys are probably saying she's back so soon. I just did a live video yesterday talking about Impact Mailing Club, this direct mail opportunity that I've been involved in. And I have some information to share with you guys. Not only that, I picked this up from the mail today. So I'm going to go ahead and I didn't think I was going to have this many, but with the promotion going on and a lot of people taking advantage of this opportunity and the promotion, I had a ton of mail today. So what I want to do is briefly talk about, hey Dan, hey Steven, if you guys can please let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you're watching this later on a day, hashtag replay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hey Jeremy, hey Steven, hey Elba. So what I want to do is while I open up these packages, I'm going to discuss with you guys the number one reason why you should promote a direct mail opportunity, especially a really good one. But not only that, it's not about just really promoting, it's also about being consistent. So sticking with it, okay? And we're going to talk about that today. And the number one reason, you know what, I'm going to open up some packages first, and then we're going to go ahead into the number one reason. So we have here a package that came in from Melissa. Melissa, I received your information or your registration. Hey, Steven from New York. Hey, Jeremy from Atlanta. I need to get out there. You guys got really good food out there. I've been here once, and it is awesome. I love to eat, so I love to go out there and eat all of the great foods that they have. We have Melissa, who came in at the Emerald level. We're going to go ahead and open this up. I believe it's a $20 payment because she came in under someone else on my team. So she didn't sign up with me directly, but yep, she came in under someone on my team, and I received $20 and 1 book of stamps. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure to reach out to your sponsor for your website and whatever information she needs to give you. Hey, Monique. Thanks so much for tuning in. We have another one here from Mariah. Mariah sent in her package all the way from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. Okay. So Atlanta's in the house today. Signed up with someone else on my team, and I received a total of, let's see what we have here. This is 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 2 books of stamps. That means she came in at the Ruby level. Thanks so much for joining the team, Mariah. Glad to have you with us. Then we have a package here that came in from Michelle. Hey, Robert. Thanks so much for tuning in. Monique, Cassie, thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, this came in from Michelle. Let's see what we have here. Michelle, I have 2 books of stamps that came in, and I'm going to go ahead and open up her info here. Let's see what we have. And then I am going to talk about the number one reason, guys. Just let me open up a few of these, and then we'll get back on topic. So let's see what level she came in at. Michelle, she sent it in this envelope, and she came in at the $300 level. I'm sorry, $500 level, which is the Sapphire level. It's a payment of $300 every time you come in at the Sapphire level. And right now with the promotion, you automatically get the upgrade to the Diamond level. And here are the 2 books of stamps that she sent in. 2 books of stamps. So 300. So far, we're up to about 350 bucks so far, 360 bucks. So let's see what else we have here. This came in from Lois. Lois, I received your payment. Let's see what we have. Lois came in at the Emerald level and signed up with someone else that's on my team. So I received a total of 20 bucks and 1 book of stamps. So thanks so much for joining the team, Lois. Glad to have you with us. And we have here another envelope from Tanya. Let's see what we have. Here's her payment. Tanya came in at the Ruby level. She joined someone else on my team, and I got a total of 50 bucks, 2 books of stamps. Okay. All right, so let's talk about the number one reason why you should promote and stick with direct mail. Number one reason, supply and demand, okay? Supply and demand. So the reason why I like to talk about that is because there's not a lot of people that's in this field. There's not a lot of people that do direct mail marketing. And what I love about it is that means that there's not a lot of competition. Normally people that get involved in this opportunity, they don't stick with it, okay? Some people do. I know a lot of people that make tons of money, but because there are so many people that that started and don't stick with it. Not only that, there's so many people that don't promote direct mail. The supply and demand, there's not a lot of people that you have to go against. It's not like going against Walmart or Home Depot or going against McDonald's, okay? So your chances of being able to earn a full-time income, because there's so many people that are looking for a home-based business opportunity, there's a lot of money to be made. And for the people who get into these direct mail programs, especially a good one like Impact Mailing Club, and they stick with it, they have the potential to make a ton of money, okay? So that's the number one reason why I tell people all the time to, you know, if you're gonna get into direct mail, to stick with it, be consistent, because it's a really great opportunity. Not only that, it's easy to learn direct mail. It's easy for anyone to duplicate, especially those who lack computer skills, okay? And you know, if you're over 18, anybody can do this. It's good for students, veterans, work from home moms and dads, people who are looking for just additional income. I even know people that have degrees, that went to school to make a ton of money in their field, and they do this and they have done it successfully for years. So that's the thing, supply and demand. When you get into something that a lot of people need, but a lot of people are not promoting it, you have the potential to make a ton of money, okay? So I tell people all the time, I didn't go to school for this. This is not something that I grew up and someone in my family was just like, yeah, go ahead and do this. This is what I do. No, I found the opportunity online. I didn't want to work a job anymore, and I took advantage of that opportunity. And that's really what it takes. You know, being able to take advantage of something, being consistent with it, and knowing that sooner or later it's going to pay off. It's all well worth it, okay? So I have another payment that came in from Dara. She came in at the Emerald level. And guys, that is a $65 payment in 1 book of stamps, okay? So yes, that's the number one reason. You know, it's just easy to duplicate. It's very easy to duplicate. And again, it's not like going out and fighting against a Walmart or fighting against McDonald's. You're not going up against none of these people. And the people that you are in competition with, it's not a lot compared to the amount of money that can be made, okay? And that's basically it with this. That's the number one reason I think most people should take advantage of direct mail, okay? Again, we're going to have a Facebook group by the end of November, and there I will give people all of my tips and tricks, everything that you need to know in order to be successful. This came in from Savella Turner, who joined the team. Hey, Savella, I received your payment. I've worked with Savella for a while, and she's an awesome person. And here is a $300 money order. She joined at the Sapphire level. 2 books of stamps. That's going to automatically allow her to upgrade to the Diamond level. And for those that don't know, the promotion has been extended till Monday. So you have till Monday to get in. What they wanted to do is pretty much give people an opportunity to get in. A lot of people get paid tomorrow and wanted to be able to get involved in the program, and now they will be able to do so because we are now extended to Monday. This came in from James, payment from James. We're gonna go ahead and see what we have here. Let's see what we got. Opening these envelopes up, guys. And let me tell you something. The reality is, every week I'm not gonna get a lot of payments. You know, there's gonna be some weeks when it's slow, but the weeks when it's fast, it definitely makes up for it, okay? So I have Jim, who joined with a team member of mine, and I received a $100 payment for the Sapphire level, 2 books of stamps. So thanks so much for getting started. Glad to have you a part of the team. And we're going to keep going. I have more. Monica from New York, from my hometown. She's from Brooklyn. Monica, I received your payment. Let's see what we have here. Monica. Monica also came in at the $300 level, which is the automatic upgrade to the diamond level. Here is the payment for $300, guys. Another $300 money order. And then here is the 2 books of stamps. Well, she sent in 3, but that's fine. So here, those are the stamps. And she asked me to let her know when I receive it. So I will reach out to her today so that she knows that I have her payment. And we have another one here. This came in from Debbie. Debbie from Utah. Thanks so much for joining us. Hey, Barry. Hey, Christina. Hey, Eddie. Yes, Stevens. Savella is pretty awesome. Yes, she is. Hey, Melody. Melody, just inbox me, please, or I'll inbox you. You know, when I'm done with the live. Hey, Kima. Yeah, you like it, girl? Hey, Barry. You like my new do? I had to do something different. You know how us women are. We got to switch it up every now and again. Okay, so this came in from Debbie, and Debbie joined someone else on my team at the Sapphire level, $100 payout, and 2 books of stamps. Okay, thanks so much, Debbie. Glad to have you a part of the team. That was from Debbie. Okay, we have another one here. This came in from William. Let's see what we have. William from New Jersey. I received your packet. William from New Jersey. Sealed it in an envelope. Hey, Sharon. Hey, Devin. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Okay, so William came in at the Sapphire level. Okay, so here is $300 payment and 2 books of stamps. Well, 4 books of stamps. It's supposed to be 2. Okay, so thank you so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. And right here we have one that came in from Valerie. I believe this is an upgrade. North Carolina's in the house. What's the weather out there? North Carolina. Nice weather. Taisha from Georgia. Thanks so much for tuning in, Taisha. Hey, Terry from Texas. I know it's warm out there. Okay, this came in from Valerie. This was an upgrade.
Sorry, I couldn't quite.
Here's an upgrade of $150. She went from the ruby to the sapphire level. $150, guys. And then here is 2 books of stamps. Okay. So thanks so much for upgrading, Valerie. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then last but not least, I received a money order for a website. Okay. We do have to pay for those separately. The website is for your cover letter for people to be able to look up your information online. Again, guys, that's very important, very important. So what we're going to do here is separate this, see how much we brought in for the day. And again, guys, remember, what I tell you and what I show you is not to brag, but to also to allow you to see what's possible, because a lot of people are in the dark about what's possible when you really put your all into your business and you are consistent. And that's what I want to show, is that when you are consistent and you work your business like a true business, the results is so rewarding, so rewarding. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and count this up and see what we have for the day. And guys, remember, we are in our peak season. I always talk about that. Direct mail marketing is booming this time of the year. Not only that, a lot of online businesses as well. This is the time when you can make a ton of money. People are going to start getting their income tax. People are starting a New Year's resolution. They want to start on the right foot, and you know, they want to do something new. They want to start a home-based business, and you want to be one of those people that are there when that person is ready to get started. So we're going to go ahead and count this up, guys. Nice amount here. Hey, Lucretia, happy Thursday. Hey, Karma. Yes, consistency definitely is key. Hey, Joyce. Thanks for tuning in from Philly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 10. That's $1,000, guys. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so that's 100. Then we have the money orders. That's another 3, 6, and then this is for a website. So we have 600, 700. So we have about a little bit over $1,800 that came in from direct mail. That's just amazing, guys. 1,800 bucks. Over 1,800 bucks. Not bad, not bad. So guys, this is what's possible. I tell people all the time, this is not for everyone, but the people who are willing to put in the work, they're ready to be consistent. The sky's the limit. You just have to be ready, and you have to come in with the right mindset. And again, you have to treat this as like a real business. Okay. And then you will see success. Anybody can do this. Direct mail is very easy and very simple to do. And again, guys, I will have the Facebook group together where anybody from any direct mail opportunity will be able to join the group, get more information, tips and tricks. And not only that, I'm going to share all different types of marketing strategies that you can use to be successful. Okay. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I will go ahead. Thank you, Monica. You like the new hair? Thank you. Hey, Dan. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, no problem. Taisha, reach out to me. Send me a message. I'm about to get off this live. Send me a message. So thanks again, guys. $1,800 day with direct mail. For all the people who are inspired, who are looking for home-based business, all the people that have supported me, I want to say thank you so much and have a great day.